Hello friends, my name is Ajinkya. I am the Microsoft Python certified trainer. In the last video, we saw that a program to find the circumference of circle by using the math module. So in this video, we will see another next program, that is write a Python program to convert a number into binary, octal and hexadecimal number system. By default, the Python provides us a predefined functions to convert a number into binary, octal and hexadecimal. So let's see the practical demo. In this demo, we will take the input from the user and convert the number into binary, octal and hexadecimal number system. In Python, to take the input from the user, there is a predefined function called input function. So let's see the practically. I want to take a number, so I am taking a number as a variable, and there is a function called input function. By default, the input function take a string value, so we need it to convert into the integer. So that's why I am using the int and convert this input function to int. So in this enter the number, we prompt to the user to enter the number. So user enter the number, and next step, first we convert into the binary. So I am using a variable called a binary, and there is a predefined function to convert a number into binary, that is a bin function, and bin function gives a number, that is user. So I am passing this number to bin function. In the next step, the number can be converted into octal. So I am taking a next variable called octal, and there is a function called oct, and it gives a number. And the last one, to convert a number into hexadecimal, so I am taking a variable hexa, and there is a predefined function called hex, it gives a number. So finally, we will print the result respectively. So if you want to print anything in a Python, there is a predefined function called a print function. So I am writing here print the binary number is, so result is present in the variable called binary. So I am a copy and paste here. The same we will do for the octal number is, and the result is present in the octal. And the last one, that is hexadecimal, and the result is present in the hexa. So in this way, we convert a number into respectively binary, octal and hexa by using the predefined functions called bin function, oct function and hexa function. So let's run the project and see the output. So enter the number, I am entering the 10, and it will be respectively convert a binary into this octal and hexa. So this is a 10 means it is a number. So in this way we can convert a number into a binary, octal and hexadecimal. Let's run a second time. I am providing the number as a 15 and see the output. So this is a binary of 15, octal of this and hexadecimal of this. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe it. We will see in the next video with another beautiful program. Thank you for watching this.